So you just started working with us. This is how you're going to do your warm-up. So if your program is for 12 to 15 reps, you're going to do about half the reps. So you would do about 7 repetitions with about half the weight that you would use to start. Carl is simply going to demonstrate 2 or 3 reps for the video. As soon as the 7 reps are completed, you're going to take a little bit of weight. And then as you increase the weight, you decrease the number of repetitions. So let's say now you would do 5 repetitions with a little bit of weight. And then as soon as that's done, if the second exercise is a pull down, then you would go to the pull down, you would do the same thing. You use about 50% of the weight for about 50% of the reps. And you do this on tempo. So he has about 50% of his starting weight. He's going to do about half of the prescribed number of reps. So in this case, it would be 15 in the program. So he would do about 7 here. Once he's done his 7 reps, we're going to increase the weight a little bit. So we're getting a little bit closer and closer to the starting weight. Now he's going to do 5 repetitions. For the demo, he'll do 2 or 3. And as soon as you've done 2 warm-up sets there and 2 warm-up sets here, we're going to go back for a third and final warm-up set. Again, increasing the weight a little bit to get closer to that starting weight. So let's say his starting weight would be 20 pounds. Right now he would have 15 pounds. So he's ready mentally and physically to take that starting weight. So again, he would do about 2 or 3 reps here. Okay, because we increase the number of the weight, we decrease the reps as well. And then back over here. Now we're just under your starting weight. You should be about 10 to 15 pounds under your starting weight. Do 2 or 3 reps. And once you've completed those reps and you're ready to start your program, you take about a minute break, make sure there's no accumulated fatigue, and then you're ready to go, and that's how you do an effective warm-up.